chicken cauliflower rice. Simple, 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 okay? So take 1 head of cauliflower, okay? Put it in your handy dandy, of course you're gonna wanna make sure that you can fit it in there. Can you see? Yes, here we go. Into your food processor. Now you can buy these already pre-packaged at the store, but you know what, you can make your own. It's probably a lot cheaper that way. There we go. Just stuff it down in there. Now, okay. Now the difference between this kind of rice and regular rice, it cooks so much faster. So much faster. Okay. Now, do not drop your food on the floor like I just did, and if you do, make sure you thoroughly wash it.
Hey, Facebook Live. What? I got my ears pierced.
Right.
And I got AirPods.
Sorry.
I'm expensive.
All right, Joseph, out.
I work at Target. Wanna creep.
Yes. Real life,
Mom,
people.
so we're to Disneyland.
All right.
Yeah!
All right, let's do this. Now, let me tell you about the chicken bouillon I'm going to be using, okay? Because this here is, all right, so let me show you. Hold on. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with this, right? Well, this is not as safe as this one here, okay? So Walmart now carries them. It is totally gluten-free. It is very, very yummy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to carefully transfer all this to my pan. See, can you, let's turn it this way. And there we go. Okay, I'm gonna carefully take the blade. I am totally making a mess all over my kitchen today. I am so sorry, but here we go. Okay. There we are. Now this is going to release its own natural water, so you do not want to add too much water. But what I am going to sprinkle over the top is some of this here. Okay. And I have a 1/3 cup of water, but I'm just going to put half of that. And over medium heat. And just stir, okay? Now you don't want this to get too soggy. You want it to be a little bit crispy to simulate the feel of rice, okay? Well, not crispy, you know, like you don't want to feel like you're eating raw rice either. So again, this is another feel-good kind of comfy food. Joseph, my son, was just like, Mom, why don't you make rice? It's like, dude, we don't eat rice. But yes, so this is very quick. Again, 5 minutes, medium heat, and you are set, okay? Now, if you see that it's getting too dry, you just add a little bit more water, or you know what you can also do? You can do a broth, whether it's chicken broth, beef broth, vegetable broth. But if you're doing keto, make sure that you check your labels, okay? You want to look at your carbs, because a lot of broths do have hidden carbs in them. Okay, and you definitely don't want to break your diet if that's what you're trying not to do. Okay, now another thing that you could do is add butter. If you're doing butter, you want your full fat butters. Okay, let me add a little bit more water here. Cauliflower is the bomb. Yes. Again, low carb, easy, easy, easy. Now, Another thing that you can do is add some cheese on top of that. Okay, soup it up a little bit. Or if you want more of the Mexican rice feel, you can add a can of el pato sauce. That'll definitely give it some kick. Add some cayenne pepper, some garlic salt, or some onion powder. Okay, this is already feeling like it's definitely, I love that stuff. Okay. Now, if you want to put a lid on it, that's quite alright, but then keep an eye on it because again, it's going to release a lot of liquid. You don't want mushy, soupy stuff unless you are making a soup base. Okay. Let's see that. Look at that awesomeness. Doesn't that look like rice? Okay. So 2 more minutes, and actually, I'm gonna let it sit for a second, and that's it.